If you are looking for the ultimate mix of history, mystery, and spectacular views, Lincoln in England has it all. From the world's tallest medieval cathedral to a castle hiding skeletons that lay untouched for over 1,000 years. Let's dive into the secrets of the Lincoln Castle and Lincoln Cathedral. Lincoln began as a Lindum Colonia, a Roman settlement by the river Witham, and today it is one of England's most fascinating historic cities. First on our journey is Lincoln Cathedral, once the tallest building in the world. This Gothic masterpiece has dominated the skyline since the 11th century. Damaged by an earthquake in 1185, it was rebuilt in stunning phases of Gothic architecture, making it a must-see for anyone searching Lincoln Cathedral history or things to do in Lincoln. Next on our journey is Lincoln Castle. Built by William the Conqueror in 1068, it is one of only 2 castles in England with 2 moats. That alone makes it unique, but the real thrill is inside, the Victorian Prison. Here you will discover chilling prisoner stories, like 8-year-old John Cook, jailed for arson, and Joseph Ralph, the burglar famous for his escape attempts. If you are searching Lincoln Castle tours or Victorian prison experience, this is where history gets real. And the discoveries don't stop there. In 2013, archaeologists uncovered an ancient church beneath the castle grounds, along with skeletons, including one high-status individual buried in a stone sarcophagus with leather shoes. These findings are now on display inside the prison, making Lincoln Castle one of the UK's most exciting archaeological sites. Also, don't miss the reconstructed head of one of the male skeletons discovered lying next to the sarcophagus. For breathtaking views, take the medieval wall walk. It is not just a walk, it is a journey through battles and legends of dragons. Be aware of these dragons, with spectacular views of Lincoln Cathedral from the east wall battlements. And if you want a peaceful break, head to the Lincoln Arboretum. Designed in the 1870s, this Victorian park features ponds, fountains, a lion statue, and a bandstand. Perfect for anyone enjoying the nature. Finally, stroll through the city center along the river Witham, the perfect way to wrap up your Lincoln adventure. And don't forget to look for a souvenir. So whether you are searching best castles in England, Lincoln Cathedral tour, or hidden gems in Lincolnshire, this city has something for you. Don't forget to like this video, write your comments, and subscribe to my channel for more traveling adventures around the world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.